Has this ever happened to you? You're about to watch football and you realize you need a delicious, spicy, cheesy snack that you can just pop into your mouth. If so, you're in luck, because today I'm going to be making creamy, cheesy, easy jalapeno poppers. Perfect for watching football or other sports, or just snacking on when you're hungry. So grab the 12 jalapenos you have sitting around and let's get started. They smell spicy. Hi, my name's Xtine. I'm a food writer. I post new videos several times a week, and the first thing we need to do is slice these jalapenos in half lengthwise and take out the seeds. I'm wearing gloves for this because I don't want to burn my hands or my eyes or face or anywhere else on my body. And I had an incident with some spicy peppers a few days ago, and I have not recovered, both spiritually and physically. This is definitely the most time-consuming part of the recipe, so just strap in and try to find your rhythm. Okay, now that all of these beautiful peppers have had their insides scraped out, it's time to prep the filling. I need to shred up 1/4 of a pound of cheese, and I'm gonna use habanero cheddar because I'm crazy. Spicy on spicy on spicy. Let's do this. You could totally use regular cheddar cheese though. Okay, let's see how much cheese this is. 1/4 of a cup is roughly 115 grams. Oh, we need more cheese. Luckily, I have more cheese. We're gonna go ahead and call that close enough.
Preheat the oven to 375 degrees.
Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegan sour cream. I'm using vegan sour cream only because it's what I like. Please don't hate on me for my life choices. And 1/4 cup of cream cheese. We're going to mash this together until it's well combined. Now it resembles something like a schmear you would get at a bagel shop. Let's season with a little salt and pepper. Give that another quick mix. Before we fill our peppers, we're just going to flip them over and lightly spray with some olive oil. You could also rub them down with some olive oil, dealer's choice, really. I will say though that my life changed the day I got the olive oil spray bottle. Now we're just going to dollop a little bit of our cheesy schmear into each of our jalapeno peppers and spread it around. And then we're ready to bake. I'm using a baby spoon to do this because that just felt right to me. I don't know why I have purple on my hand, but I assure you my hands are clean. Just stained purple, apparently. Football is on in half an hour, time is running out, but luckily these only need to bake for 15 minutes. So it's gonna work out perfectly. A delicious snack is forthcoming. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up all the pepper seeds that I spilled on the floor. Just look at these delightful little green canoes filled with cheese. Delicious. These will get less spicy the longer you bake them. You could bake them for 5 to 10 more minutes and they wouldn't burn. It'll take down the heat a little bit. You know me, I don't mind the heat. Thank you for watching. Football's on in 10 minutes, I gotta go. I'm gonna eat most of this tray of jalapeno poppers.